Okay, so today we guys are starting a new chapter that is immunity, and up now let me tell you that what basically immunity is. Immunity is the ability of organisms to protect itself or to protect its body from any kind of pathogen or any kind of bacteria. What is pathogen? Pathogen is a agent that causes a disease. We can say that it is a disease causing agent. We study and the study of immunity is known as immunology. Uh, it is a whole subject about the immunity in which we study about the immunity that is known as immunology, and the whole system or the immunity is known as immune system. Okay. Okay, Ji. So, if we talk about the types of the immunity, so there are two main types of the immunity. The number first one is innate immunity, and the second one is acquired immunity. So, if we talk about the defenses of our body, so there are three main defenses: the first line defense, the second line defense, and the third line defense. Innate system is consist of two defenses, first and second, and the acquired is consist of third line defense of our body, that is active and passive defense. And in innate there are two defense, first and second. I will be explaining that later, but first of all let me tell you that what is the basic difference between innate immunity and acquired immunity. So first of all, let's discuss about the acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is not present from our birth, like I mean that it is non-specific. uh, I'm sorry, it is a specific one because it is not present from our birth, and it is not naturally present. It has two types, active and passive, consisting in third line of defense. Then if we talk about the innate system, so innate are present in from our birth in the body. It is natural, and it is non innate is non-specific, and acquired is specific. I did a mistake over here, let me correct it. Okay. Okay, so if we talk about the barriers are something that protect your body or protect something from the terror or the disease. Okay, so in innate we are having three main barrier: physical barrier, physiological barrier, and cellular barrier. Okay, so वैसे तो we have four, but there are three main. The fourth one is cytokine barrier. Okay, so if we talk about the physical barrier, the main physical barrier of our body is the skin, and physical barriers is a part or organ that are making first line defense of the body of an organism. Okay, then we have physiological barrier. We have saliva, mucus, tears, digestive juices, spermine, and HCl. uh, uh, in physiological barrier, it is mean that the secondary things that are present in the body that is stopping the bacteria to enter inside our body is coming in physiological barrier. For example, it's saliva. So when we ingest something in our mouth, when we eat something, so in saliva lysozymes are present. So lysozyme, if there's any bacteria in the food, so the lysozyme will help to kill the bacteria through our saliva, and then we will eat the food. Okay, here I mentioned that the lysozymes are present in which helps to kill bacteria. Lysozymes are present in saliva, mucus, and tears. Okay, tears are in our eyes, mucus is present in the saliva or the different part of our body that it is exuding out from the vagina of the female, and from in our body it is excreting out inside of our body. So yes, then if digestive juices are there, spermine is something that is it is a liquid like substance that is exuding out from the male reproductive organ. Then lysozymes are present in it, which helps to kill bacteria. Okay. Then if we talk about the third barrier, sorry, uh, okay. So if we talk about the third barrier, so that is cellular barrier. In cellular barrier, all phagocytes, monocytes, macrophages, WBCs are present. Basically, cellular barrier is comprising it covering the second line defense of our body. All phagocytes, WBCs, monocytes, macrophages are present in cellular barrier. We can examine through the name of this one, the cellular barrier, that it is a kind of a barrier or a stoppage area that is done by the cells of our body. Okay. And if we talk about the macrophages, so in macrophages the Kupffer cells are present, dust cells are present, microglia is present. uh, Basically in nervous system the first line of defense is done by microglia. Okay, that is known as neuroglia. I didn't mention it over here. I'm not mentioning this one, but point out this because the Kupffer cells are present in liver and they make debris and remove the old RBC. Debris is like, will be extruding out from our in our feces, in our feces. It is removing the old RBCs. Then the dust cells that is present in the respiratory tract and in our lungs, and these are the ciliated. So these are the ciliated cells that are present in the respiratory tract. It is also present in our trachea. Dust cells are present. I mentioned in my the whole detailed lecture of the trachea and anatomy that dust cells are present in that, and those are ciliated. Okay, so in cellular barrier, WBCs are known as polymorphonuclear leukocytes, which means it contains all phagocytes, monocytes, and macrophages. Okay. Then the third one, fourth one is cytokine barrier that is contained of interferon cells. Basically, interferon cells are the protein uh, that will actually protect the surrounding of the cell, and these are produced by the effective cell by virus. The It means that what does it mean effective cell by virus? It means that when a virus will attack to a several cell or a single cell, so the interferon cell will produce by that effective cell in which the virus has attacked. Interferon will produce from that one, and it will protect the surrounding of the cell. Okay, so let me mention it over here. Effective cells. तुझो ना छूटे ना तेरा मेरा दिल तो थोड़ी थोड़ी कत्थई सी इसकी आंखें थोड़ी सुर भरी. Okay जी, तो as I told you that the cells are present in trachea. This is the MCQs. Okay, mention it down. These are present in trachea, and these are the ciliated cells. Okay, थोड़ी थोड़ी कत्थई सी उसकी आंखें, थोड़ी सुर में भरी। I'm on a field of dandelions, wishing everywhere that you. Okay, girls. So follow me, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like the video. So I will work hard for you guys and will make a video for the cell and its functions. Some of the videos are there, rest are remaining, and I will be making them. And make sure that you guys are liking the videos. Okay, so let's repeat out that we are having two main types of immunity and three main barrier that is present in innate system. Okay,